Because it is so cold, I don't feel like it's a good idea to be trying to put any kind of coating on the rusty spots on this Jeep, but I was thinking I might could get out here and do a little grinding. And another thing I might could do is dismantle that trailer hitch. I went online and looked at some trailer hitches. They run, if you buy one for this, the cheapest one I found is about $100. Cheapest one that's big enough to be any good. Which $100 is $100. And I got that one there, so I could take these little ends off the bottom of this and just hold them up onto there and see. Where's my flashlight at? See if that fits under the frame, and I could drop down onto this and have it down under the Jeep there. So about all I need to do is get this in a place where I can work on it, where I won't freeze my nose off. And to be honest with you, my nose feels like it's freezing off right now. So I think I'm gonna go back in the house. What I've been doing is coming out here, messing around a little bit, going back in the house and waiting until I can feel my nose again. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I just said it, so I'll say it again, or maybe I don't have to say it again. I might have the other wire that was originally on that charger, like this right here, this right here, or not, I don't know. Where does that go to? See, that's something else. That's that, and this is I don't have the most organized workspace, although I've been to Mr. Heavy Chevy's garage and I've seen his workspace, and it makes me feel okay about my workspace. There is a saying that a person with a garage that is too neat, that's usually a sign of somebody who doesn't ever get anything done. They just keep their garage clean all the time. I don't know if that's true or not. Man, there's a bunch of junk in here. It's good junk too. It's the thing. It's not junk I need to throw away. It's junk that I need to... Oh, there's the other end. Okay, so what do we have here? So that's two ends. Where is it? Where's that two wires? Lord have mercy. I might need to put y'all down, and I don't want to drop you because I've already dropped you once today. That was nearly fatal. Maybe I should cut you off. I'm going to cut you off.